Now, what are functions? Functions are small piece of code, okay? So how to define functions? Let's see. We have this define sum, okay? And we have 10, we have a, b, okay? And return a plus b, okay? And we print, we call print, and in the print we have sum and 10 and 20, right? This is how we use functions. So let's see the output. It should be 30, right? Okay, there is problem, invalid syntax. Okay, what is the syntax? Again, colon is missing, right? So if you use other languages, many languages, then there is a problem. Python uses colon at the end, right? So this is 30, right? If we have multiple values, for example, we have list, right? And we have a pointer a, means it points to some data. Then we will use for x in a colon again, right? And we will print x, okay? So we should remove this and we should print, we should call list, and in the list we have 10, we have a string ali, we have a data 3000, okay? So this is the data we will provide. It will print all, right? So let's save it and see the output. While end of file. Okay, there is a problem here. We have used brackets, right? We have not used brackets. Save, and this is very simple, right? If you see 10 ali, there are different kind of data, and there is none. Why? Because there is last element in a, okay, and this prints 3000. This prints what? This prints 3000. Okay, 3000 and right. Now this is simple function. If we have different kind of data, for example, we have pointer this, then we have key and value like this, then we should print key, we should print key value pair, means some associative array. How to use that? Key is k, and we should print value is v. So if we have this, save it, and we see the output, then you see this is takes 0 positional argument, but 3 were given, okay? So we have for example, we have age is equal to this, age is this, then we have name is this, we have some amount is this, okay? So let's save it and print. less invalid syntax. Okay, invalid syntax means there is, we should have this, okay, equal to 10 and name equal to Ali and amount equal to this. File, save, and we have now, if you see, invalid syntax, there is some problem. Invalid syntax here, equal to, okay. So there are many methods. We have used structures, we have used many methods, but this method is, we use equal here, okay. It says too many values to unpack, expected to. So if we use try catch, this is k, this is value in A, so we should use str key and str. Let's see. Save, and we have this, okay, expected to. This is K, this is V. We have amount 3000, and we have, this is, there is no error. In A dot items, let's see, save it, and we have this, okay. A dot items, because there are many problems, because we have used Java, we have used C#, we are using C++, we are using PHP, we are using many languages. So there is a lot of difficulty. We are using client side React. I mean, there are a lot of languages. That is why we forget as a programmer sometimes. If there are multiple languages, then sometimes we forget that what is going on. Okay, now in A means almost all the languages, if I provide as or in A, it means it should get the value. But it is, you saw that it was not giving the, so I used items, okay. So this is one way of learning, okay. So in the loop, we have different kind of data, and we have double pointer, right? Pointer A. Okay, we have key and value parameters. We can use age here, okay. So if I remove string, then if I remove string here, okay, if I use this, and remove str, okay, this is the method, right? Let's see. If I use plus sign and remove this, what should be the output? Error. Cannot concatenate str, integer to str. So this is concatenation plus. So I should use str, right? So this is how Python works, okay. There is overloaded operator, but you have to convert every value, okay, to concatenate, right? So concatenation works, but there is difference. You see this? Okay. So these are the functions.